Hello, welcome to Dr. Morgan. Django's position on the web. What about Django's position on the web? Web development has significantly evolved in recent years, particularly with the appreciation of web frameworks. And by the way, we will learn how to use the Django framework to create a complete website. I will teach you today and how to use the Django framework to create a complete website. In this chapter, we'll discuss the following: the changes in the web, and a presentation of Django, and MVC development pattern. And from Web 1.0 to Web 2.0. The web that you see today has not always been as it appears today, and indeed many technologies such as CSS and Ajax or the new HTML5 version have improved the web. What about Web 1.0? What about Web 1.0? The web was born 25 years ago, and thanks to growing new technologies, and two of these have been very decisive. And the HTML language is a display language, by the way. It allows you to organize information with nested tags. And second point, the HTTP protocol is a communication network protocol that allows a client and a server to communicate. The client, by the way, is often a browser such as Firefox or Google Chrome, and the server is very often a web server such as Negnos and Apache or Microsoft IIS. In the beginning, developers used the table tag to organize various elements of their pages as the menu and header or content. These images displayed on the web pages were of low resolutions to avoid the risk of making the page heavy, and the only action that users could perform was to click on the hypertext links to navigate to other pages. By the way, these hypertext links enabled users to navigate from one page to another by sending only one type of data, and the URL of the page, the uniform resource locator. The uniform resource locator URL defines a unique link to get resources such as an HTML page and picture or PDF file. And by the way, no data other than the URL was sent by the user. And second thing, what about Web 2.0? Web 2.0. The term Web 2.0 was coined by Dell Deferty and Orally Media Company, and was mediated in October 2004 by Tim O'Reilly during the first Web 2.0 conference. This new web became interactive, by the way, and reachable to beginners, and it came as a gift to many technologies, including the following. Number one, the server-side languages such as PHP and Java Server Page JSP or ASP. This language allows you to communicate with a database to deliver dynamic content. This also allows users to send data in HTML forms in order to process data using the web server. And number two, second point, databases store a lot of information. This information can be used to authenticate a user or display an item list from older to more recent entries. And number three, client-side scripts such as JavaScript enables users to perform simple tasks without refreshing the page. And asynchronous JavaScript and XML and Ajax brings an important feature to the current web, and asynchronous swapping between the client and the server, and thanks to this, there is no need to refresh the page in order to enjoy the website. Today, Web 2.0 is everywhere and is a part of our everyday life. Like Facebook is a perfect example of a Web 2.0 site, and with complete interaction between users and the storage of massive amount of information in its database, and web applications have been popularized as webmails or Google web applications. It's in this philosophy that Django emerged, by the way.